Okay. Welcome in Stuttgart on the CMT. Hello.
Hello.
Nice to meet you.
Nice
Alan.
to see you too.
Yeah. Come in.
So
I will
what?
show you our brand new Sprinter. The model name is Adonis.
Adonis, that's a Greek god, I believe.
Yes, we have all our cars have Greek names, and so the new model is Adonis on Sprinter base. And you see, we have a new concept in this car. It's a 593 Sprinter, and our target was to have a big room atmosphere inside. About this car is not so in the waist like the Ducato, and this was a dream what we have to make a new concept in this car. You see, we have very comfortable seats,
Which are adjustable, so the,
Yes.
the rear bench is not really a bench, it's two seats, and they're both independent and adjustable.
yes. And we have a table, especially we take it without a leg, so we can turn it what we want. It's flexible, and the new thing is on this table. When you drive it, somebody maybe lock it in here. Yes. When you drive it and sit here, you can fold it down.
So that get sure,
When the
sure.
driver's seat is on the back, you have comfortable space, but you can do it also in the upper position. Yeah.
So if you want to sort of sit in the back and eat or something whilst the person's driving, yeah.
And this is here we have not a lot of space, so when you have a leg here, it's not very comfortable. So you have everything free here.
Yeah. We have to bear in, of course, as always, this vehicle is under 6 meters in length, so we have to make compromises.
We have a very big kitchen.
Yeah, it's an enormous kitchen.
With a new thing, I think I don't see a car in this size with so much luxury details here.
Yeah.
We can slide out this one.
Yeah, this amazing amount of space for
You have a cutting
workspace.
board.
Yeah.
You can here place anything for dropping up, and you have
And there's
a
the
very
sink.
nice sink.
A molded sink.
Yes. And this is Karok is the material, is the mineral stone. Yeah, on it's very luxury and
Tough.
it's nice. So we have we win a space here also to work on it. Yeah.
Yeah, so for workspace, and people often mention this to me, I mean, the workspace is there's no one that has that much workspace.
We have a lot of details here. Here you have a lot of small storages, also here, with light here and everything. And we have a nice interior now. This is very trendy with a silver
details
elements here inside. And this is a brushed look of inox. Yeah, this is an inox name. So we have here a new bathroom. The door is concepted in two parts. The bigger part is also to have a privacy in the sleeping room. You can, in the morning, you can fold it in, and you have here a lot of space for to clean the tooth and everything, washing a little bit. And this is also mineral stone material. You can go in with the shoes and everything, and you can come in. And I'm not a very slim guy.
Yeah.
I have enough of space for a shower.
Yes.
And this is, I think, it's very great bathroom.
Yeah.
Also with storages and everything.
Yeah, it looks very luxurious.
And you see, we have a lot of design always in our furniture.
Yeah.
And this is also lightweight material, what we use in all our cars. We have the PET recycled with the HPL material on the furniture. And this is very resistant, no scratching, nothing, and it's very light. Yeah. And this car have completely, as you see it here, We offer it completely with solar, with lithium batteries, with the Airmax fan, and everything is inside in series, and it's 2,900 kilograms empty weight, not
ready to go.
dry.
But even so, that gives 600 kilos of payload.
Yep.
So no, I mean two people plus a full tank of fuel, and it is.
And the sleeping room, we have the two sides. Here with that ears, to have a space here from 187, and we have here 148.
Yes, so they're flares on the outside.
Yes,
and so that it makes, but we'll see them more from the outside, because from the inside they're really quite well hidden. You can't tell how the extra space has been. Well, you can sort of tell, but it's not so obvious from the inside as it is from the out.
Yeah, and the car is completely Amorflex isolated, and we have very nice material now, which is also very exclusive here. I never seen it on like this material in a van in the last time.
So
and this brings a premium look.
Yeah, so the Armorflex insulation is how
25 millimeters.
25, okay. Yes. So yes, no, 2.5 centimeters.
Area.
Yes.
One point is enough. Is also important. Is a toilet. Is with a own tank of 55 liters.
Okay.
This is a Master Flash from the Matic. So you have 55 liter space inside. Yeah. It's not with a box where you drive on the camping.
It's no cassette. Yeah. Okay. Yeah. So
and
a
this is
tank.
Ceramic.
Oh, yeah.
No plastic.
Yeah.
Premium look.
Oh yes.
Okay. That's what we can show. This is the Airmax. Yeah. And we have a lot of details also in the garage on the back side. I will say also the Sprinter here is now 150 horsepower with a with a back drive.
Yes, rear wheel drive.
In the future we will use 4-wheel. We can deliver it maybe in June, starting with a 190 horsepower version. Yeah. We have all details here inside. We have a higher roof. We have all assistant systems. We have the Mercedes-Benz stereo, multi display, and everything is inside. Yeah. So there is nothing what you miss in the car.
Yeah.
Full loaded program.
Yeah.
The door is electric. This is electric close. Sprinter is especially after 20 seconds the car shut down. So when you need to close the door on electric, you must only push for a short time here.
Yeah.
And I go out and everything
closes by itself.
Like this.
Oh, that's clever. Oh, and the step went in as well.
It's an original step from Mercedes. We have here the gas outside, for outside gas for grill and everything. The connection.
And here we have the. This is shorter, obviously, because of the door.
Yes, the door.
But on the other side, it's much larger.
Bigger,
This is called a flare. Yeah.
So here you can see also in the under part. Design is not stopping. We have here some details. We have here big room for the gas. Yeah. We need only 5 kilograms. About only the cooking is by gas. All others, fridge is
it's two-way electric.
Compressor. Yeah. And the heating is a new Truma diesel 4. Yeah. So you see we have here also the storages. We have here the heating system, and here we have this for storages, upper and down. We have here 4 with aluminium and wood.
And this obviously goes up should one want to put the bed to one
very
side.
Compatible. And here also the plugs. And,
with USB ports.
Yes, and also small storages for smartphones or something what you have in the bedroom. The spots are dimmable. And this is a really full premium car.
Oh yes.
I like it personally very much.
Yeah, no, it's very nice, absolutely.
And you see also here is all covered with this material.
Yeah, very attractive.
So here you can see also here, you hear it.
Yeah, insulated.
Yes.
Yeah. And I would suggest to the because I have done this on vehicles to demonstrate, and it often, usually they're not insulated in the door.
Yeah, and also what is complicated on the Sprinter is to bring in the windows. The doors are not straight.
Yeah.
So you need a special work for this. To get this, you see the most of the Sprinters have no
doors in the rear. Yeah.
In the door.
Yeah.
But we do it.
Yeah. So, no, I've decided when I will do my conversion, but I mean, obviously it's me, so I'm not going to put windows in the door. It's too difficult.
And this car is always built in a team from three workers, and the leader of the team, right here, his own name.
Yeah.
For each car of
go.
our company is signed by the team boss.
Yes. Yeah. So you know who to blame.
It's a tradition on Robeta.
Excellent. Also, it binds people to the company.
Yeah.
So we'll close this and we'll have a look at the flare. This one goes in first. And here we see the size of the flare.
Yeah.
And so I put my hand in just to make the point. So we're looking at that's about 15 centimeters. And that extends the bed. Because it's also on the other side as well, but that makes it possible to actually give the length of the bed of is
187.
87, okay.
Yes.
Yeah. And so
we lost the space about our isolation.
Yes, obviously
and
isolation,
the fabric of the covering.
Yeah.
It's take me around about 3.4 centimeters space.
Yeah.
But you need it.
Oh yes, absolutely. So
and we have a new logo. We have also resigned or reworked our brand.
Oh, sorry. Yeah, I see that now.
We have our Robeta is now a bird.
Oh, yeah. Sorry.
And we will tell the customers with this bird, Robeta, you can
fly
make
wherever
a trip
you want
around the world. You are free like a bird.
Yes.
Yeah.
Oh, it's neat. I like the colour. Mind you, I like black. And super. Okay then. Well.
Thank you.
Thanks for showing us around. That's really great.
Thank you. Bye bye.